Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Core. Today I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress on your local host machine. First you need to download WordPress from wordpress.org, or you can just search WordPress in Google, and it's the download link. Click on this link and download WordPress 4. Okay, I already downloaded. And after that, go to your download folders, see here, and extract this downloaded folder. Extract all. Okay, open this folder and copy this WordPress folder. Okay, copy, and then go to your htdocs folder. Mine is in C drive. Go to C drive, XAMPP and htdocs. Okay, paste here. So you can rename this folder. I'll rename it as demo website. After this, go to localhost/phpMyAdmin to create a database. Localhost/phpMyAdmin and create new database. Database name demo database. Okay, create. After that, go to databases and select the database you have just created. Check privileges and add a user account. Click here, add user account and username for your database, not for your website. Okay, that will be created later. This is for just connecting purpose. So username is I'll give it as username. You can give it whatever you want. Okay, sample username. Host name is local, so localhost. Okay, password is password. After this, check all privileges, else leave it as it is and click go. So database has been created. After this, go to your htdocs folder. See, this is our WordPress folder demo website. We have to access this folder through browser. Go to see localhost/demo website. Okay, click enter. So this is our configuration page. We are installing WordPress. So select your language, English by default, continue, and these are database name, username and password and host details. So let's go. See, database name. What's your database name? Demo database. So click here, demo database. Demo database, and this one username is demo username, password is password, and localhost submit. Next, run the installation. Okay, so here your website details, that is site title, username and password. This is not your database username and password. This is for your website dashboard. Okay, so site title is my sample website. Okay, username is whatever, minus username, and password is password. It's not your database username and password, is different. This is for your dashboard, website dashboard. Okay, and then click on confirm use of weak password, because it's a weak password. Click and enter your email address. Mine is, click install WordPress. Installing WordPress. Okay, success. WordPress has been installed. Let's log in. and it's your website username and password, not your database username password. Okay, so my username is username and password is password. Click login. See, this is your website dashboard, and you can visit your website here. Click visit site. This is your WordPress website. That's all guys, thank you for watching.